In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove direct deposit for an employee in our payroll system. This process is straightforward and can typically be completed in just a few simple steps. It's essential to make these changes correctly to ensure your employee receives their payments without any hiccups. First, navigate to the payroll section on your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Employees. This is where we manage all the employee details, including their payment preferences. Go ahead and click on it, and this will take you to a list of all your current employees. Once you're on the employee page, carefully scroll through your list and locate the specific employee for whom you'd like to modify the payment method. Clicking on the employee's name will open up their individual profile. This profile page holds all their pertinent information, from personal details to compensation settings. Now focus on the section marked Payment Methods. This is where you can see the current configuration for how this employee receives their paycheck. If they're currently set up for direct deposit and you'd like to turn that off, you'll need to select the button or link that allows you to disable it. This option might be labeled as something like Remove Direct Deposit or Disable Direct Deposit. After you've located and clicked on that option, the system may prompt you to confirm the change. This step is crucial as it helps prevent any accidental modifications. Make sure to read the prompt carefully and confirm that you indeed want to proceed with disabling the direct deposit feature. If everything is confirmed, you'll now need to choose an alternative payment method for this employee. This could be a paper check or any other options your payroll system supports. It's very important to update the employee's payroll record with the new payment method to avoid any confusion or delays in their salary disbursement. In scenarios where you're unable to disable direct deposit by yourself, or if you encounter any issues, it's advisable to contact your payroll system's support team. They can provide assistance and ensure the transition is smooth and error-free. Support teams are often equipped to handle these kinds of changes swiftly, especially if there are technical glitches or particular features in your payroll system that need extra configuration. And that's it. You've now successfully removed direct deposit as a payment method. Remember, communicating these changes with your employee beforehand is a good practice. It's always best to inform them about when they can expect to see payments in their new format to avoid any unexpected surprises. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.